Also on your screens, on the top, in fact, you were looking of the remains of that Pakistani missiles that have been struck down by India. So that is the evidence, no, Gurpreet? That is the evidence that Pakistan possibly cannot even deny. But then they've always been denying evidences.
Well, we have seen very smartly and very technically, we were able to neutralize all these missiles and drones. We have seen various parts of Punjab they were trying to target, whether it's the military area in Bathinda, Chandigarh, Amritsar and other places also. We have seen very accurately they got this information. We have seen in Amritsar there was total blackout and a lot of precautions and measures had already been taken. Somewhere down the lane we have seen Pakistan was trying to send multiple drones at the border area, and we have seen from Firozpur also. We had a word with a lot of people who are present here. They are saying the India government has already initiated this war against terrorism, and they have already appreciated. And we have seen some of the people they are leaving their place, but we have seen only children as well as the old people they are leaving the various places of this border in Firozpur. But the young people they are there. They are saying we stand by our forces, and if it is required, we will use our own equipment, whether it's the tractors, trolleys, and all these things, so that this war against terrorism, which has been initiated by the Indian government, there is a need to uproot these terror activities from ground. So as of now, if we can talk about our sophisticated defense system that was able to neutralize all these missiles and drones which has been sent by Pakistan, and at this point of time we don't feel that they are in a position to deny anything. There is a video evidence also, the way we have seen multiple military area had been targeted by Pakistan, but we have been reporting from border. What we can sense at this point of time, we have seen multiple decisions had been taken by the local administration. One side we have seen in Gurdaspur they have already decided to hold blackout whole night from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. So all these measures have been taken on the ground also in the border area. We have seen all the schools have already been shut down. Multiple mock drills are being carried out, and we have seen one-to-one contact program by the local administration is already underway. So as of now, if we can talk about this Punjab border area, we have seen the Punjab police, the Punjab government, they have also taken multiple initiatives so that they will be able to contribute at this point of time to nation to deal with the situation which has just come up after this strike which has been started by India against this terrorism. So let's see that how the more changes will be happening. But if we can talk about the spirit of these people from border, that is very high at this point of time. They want to support the nation, and we have seen most of the youngsters, they are ready to support our forces if any critical situation is going to be happen at the border area, whether it's Firozpur, Gurdaspur, Amritsar or Fazilka or Pathankot. Back to studio.